Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language of your CANON i-SENSYS MF650 series. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu from the home screen. Now go to the preferences, and here we will have the display settings. So click them. And here we have the language of our printer. So let me click again. Here we have the language. Now what can we do is we have a lot of languages to choose from here. And let's say I'll change it to this one. I'll change it to Polish. Let's click yes. And as you guys can see, now the language is completely different. But as you guys can see, we can still see that it's Polish. And now we know where we can change it back when we don't understand the language or we pressed the wrong one. So as you guys can see, now we're back at English. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.